Kindergarten, and welcome to another math lesson. Yesterday we switched back to subtraction within the number 9 and 10, and today we're going to focus just on 9. Our math thinking job is I can decompose the number 9 using 5 group drawings and record each decomposition with a subtraction equation. We are breaking apart that number 9 using subtraction and 5 group drawings. So let's dive in to this work.
Yesterday we spent some time reviewing and practicing the different ways that we can show subtraction, taking away, by either crossing out, breaking off something, or hiding the part. And today we're going to focus on the number 9 by decomposing it, drawing with our 5 group way, and matching our story with a number bond and number sentence. So here we go. Connie had 9 bouncy balls. I'm going to draw the balls in a 5 group way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, a 5 group way means you have 5 across and then you go to the next row down. Now, let's see. 3 of the balls were green. I don't have a green crayon or marker, so I'm going to draw a circle around the group of 3. We call this a group of 3. By circling the group of 3, that shows me that there were 3 balls that were green. Now, I want you to look at how many balls were not green. You probably said 6. How did you know? Well, I knew because I counted the ones that were not in the circle, and that showed me that I took away 3 to get 6. So now let's put that in a number bond. We're going to start with our number bond first today. And we're going to just draw one. We're going to practice drawing number bonds too. We start with our whole and our 2 parts. All right, so we know that we had 9 bouncy balls all together.
And welcome to another math.
Then we decided that those 3 green balls were taken away. The 3. We used that 3 to know that we have 6 left. All right, now let's write our subtraction sentence. We start with that 9. We took 3 away, and we have 6. Okay, now that we have shown our story in a 5 group way, a number bond and a number sentence, and we know 9 minus 3 equals 6, I have another story for you. Let's try another one. Doug had 9 special rocks. Okay, so I'm going to first draw my rocks. I'm going to use squares this time, but I'm going to use it in a 5 group way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, he had 4 white rocks, and this time I want to circle 4 rocks to show 4 squares to show the 4 white rocks. Okay, so there are the 4 white rocks. And how many rocks were not white? Right. We are going to count the rocks that are not circled. Okay. These are the rocks that we're taking away. So we can also show them by crossing out. So we have 5 rocks that are not white. Okay. So 9 rocks, take away 4 white rocks, leaves 5 rocks. Okay, we were able to know how many rocks were left because we circled and crossed these out. All right, let's put this into a number bond. And I'm going to do it this way. All right, our whole is our biggest number. We took 4 away, so we're going to cross it out. And then we have 5 left. All right, here is our number sentence. What number are we starting with? 9, because we started with 9 rocks. We had 4 white rocks. We took those away, and we have 5 left. All right, I have one more problem. All right, here we go. Callie has 9 apples. I'm going to draw her apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in my 5 group way. 7 of the apples are green. So we're going to circle and cross out 7 of those apples. Okay, so there's 7 apples, which means we're going to be going into both of the rows. So here is a trick on how to circle all of those without crossing the circles. We're going to start over here. We're going to draw around and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 6, 7. Okay, 7. And we're also going to cross those out to show them those are the ones that were taken away. We want to know how many were not green. How many were not green? 2. All right, let's do our number bond. We started with 9. We took away 7, and we have 2 left. Here is our subtraction sentence. What number are we starting with? 9. We had 7 that were green. Those were the ones that we took away because we wanted to know how many were not green, and that leaves us with 2. All right, let's do some more work with decomposing 9 using our 5 group way.
Now, yesterday we spent some time looking at pictures and objects and cubes, and today we're going to be focusing on that 5 group way. So I have a story about baseballs. Jeremy had 9 baseballs. He took 5 baseballs outside to play, and they got lost. How many balls are left? We're going to cross out the part that goes away, and then you're going to fill in the number bond and number sentence. So Jeremy had 9 baseballs. He took 5 baseballs outside to play, and they got lost. How many balls are left? So let's talk about our first thing that we need to do. The direction says cross out the part that goes away. How many baseballs go away? 5. 5 go away. He brought them outside and they got lost. Lost means he can't find them. So we're going to cross out 5 of my circles, which represent my baseballs in my 5 group way. Now your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to fill in the number bond and number sentence to match my story and find out how many balls are left. Okay, we started with 9 baseballs. I'm going to start with my number sentence first. Starting with 9, we're minusing, we're taking away, so that means we start with our bigger number. 9 minus 5, because 5 baseballs were lost. He couldn't find them. Then we need to know how many are left. How many did he still have? He had 1, 2, 3, 4. He had 4 baseballs left. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Now let's jump over to our number bond. We're going to start with the whole. This is the whole because we know the 2 lines are going to the 2 parts. 9 minus 5. He lost those 5 baseballs, so we're going to immediately cross that out, and he had 4 left. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Okay, here's another story. We're going to make a 5 group drawing to show the story, then cross out the part that goes away, and then fill in the number bond. Ryder had 9 star stickers. He gave 3 to his friend. How many star stickers does Ryder have now? Your teacher's going to pause the video. You guys are going to make a 5 group drawing to show the story, cross out the part that goes away, and then complete the number bond and number sentence. Okay. He had 9 star stickers, so we're showing it in a 5 group drawing. So we're going to draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I go down. 6, 7, 8, 9. Then he gave 3 to his friends. So when we give something, we give it away. We no longer have it. So he no longer has 3 of his stickers. So we're going to cross 3 out. He gave them away. Such a nice friend he is. Now we need to know how many he has now. What does he have left? He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. All right. Now let's fill in our number sentence. 9, because he started with 9 star stickers, minus, he took away, he gave away 3, and then he had 6 left. He has 6 now. All right, our number bond is starting from the bottom. We know that this is the whole because the 2 lines are both connected. 9 minus 3, I'm going to cross that out, equals 6. Our number bond, number sentence, and drawing match the story. He has 6 left. Today in Seesaw, you are going to continue to decompose 9 using subtraction in those 5 group drawings, and you're going to have a little bit of practice with subtraction sentences. Until next time, bye, Kipsters.